से उठाकर एक बात दोहरानी है। इतिहास के पन्नों से उठाकर एक बात दोहरानी है। यह देश मेरा अभिमान है, यह मिट्टी मेरी जननी है। यह देश मेरा अभिमान है, यह मिट्टी मेरी जननी है।
A very patriotic and pleasant morning to one and all present here. Today, as we gather here under the tricolor to celebrate the 76th Republic Day, let us once recall the countless dreams, struggles and sacrifices this day gave us.
The day we celebrate the spirit of our Constitution, the cornerstone of our democracy. A day to honor our freedom, our rights and our duties as proud citizens of India. So let's begin this special occasion with hearts full of pride and voices echoing with unity. Jai Hind!
Before we embark on this celebration of our Republic Day, let us first take a moment to seek the blessings of the Almighty. Please join your hands, close your eyes and start with the prayer.
Today's thought, which will inspire us to reflect on the values and principles that shape our lives. Good morning, everyone. The thought of the day is, true patriotism is shown not only on special occasions, but through everyday acts of service to our nation. Thank you.
Thank you, Hargun, for this inspiring thought. Moving forward, we have a segment that will give us an understanding of something fundamental to our Constitution, the Preamble. It's not just a set of few words, but a reflection of a nation's values and aspirations. Now, I invite Shaina Patyal to make us delve into its significance.
We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, equality of thought, expression, faith, belief and worship, equality of status and of opportunities and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, we hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. Thank you.
Wasn't it inspiring?
Up next, we have a speech on Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, one of the most influential figures in Indian history. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was a social reformer, a champion for the rights of the marginalized, and principal architect of our Indian Constitution. Now it's time for us to listen to a speech that will remind us of his extraordinary contributions.
Good morning, teachers and students. I am David Chopra of 9th B. Honored to speak about one of the most important documents in the history of our country, the Constitution of India. It is the supreme law of our land, laying down the framework that governs our country. The Constitution of India was adopted on 26th January 1950, marking the beginning of a new era for the country. It was crafted meticulously to reflect the aspirations, dreams, and values of a newly independent nation. It stands a testament to the wisdom and foresight of the framers who sought to create a just and equitable society. One name that is inseparably linked to the making of the Constitution is that of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the principal architect of the Constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, a visionary, a scholar, and a champion of human rights, played a pivotal role in the making of the Constitution. Dr. Ambedkar's contributions go far beyond just drafting the Constitution. He was a social reformer who fought for the rights of the oppressed, especially the Dalits. His efforts to eradicate untouchability and uplift marginalized communities are reflected in the provisions of the Constitution. For instance, Article 17 of the Constitution abolishes untouchability, marking a significant step towards social justice. The Constitution itself is a comprehensive document, consisting of 395 articles divided into 22 parts and 12 schedules. It lays down the fundamental rights, which are the cornerstones of the Indian democracy, ensuring the protection of civil liberties, justice before the law, and equality. These rights are a guarantee to every citizen, regardless of their background or social status. Dr. Ambedkar's vision for India was rooted in the idea of a fair and just society, where every individual has the opportunity to prosper without facing discrimination. His dedication to human rights and civil liberties is evident in the provisions of the Constitution. In conclusion, the Constitution is not just a legal document. It is the foundation upon which the idea of a secular, democratic, and inclusive India stands. Dr. Ambedkar's role in the creation of the Constitution cannot be overstated, for his values and principles continue to guide the nation today. As citizens of this great country, it is our duty to uphold and protect the Constitution and ensure that its ideals of justice, liberty, and equality are realized for all. Jai Hind.
Thank you for the speech. Dr. Ambedkar's life and work will continue to inspire generations, and we are honored to reflect on his legacy. Patriotism is not just a feeling, it's a melody that resonates in every heart. To celebrate the spirit of our nation, our talented students are here to present a heartfelt patriotic song. Let us all immerse ourselves in their beautiful performance. Start.